I'm Lieutenant Joe Kendall, homicide hunter.
All new, Tuesday at 10, only on Investigation.